Hey, if you want to check the battery level of your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, you've got 3 different ways. The first one, you can do this for sure in the Huawei AI Live application. So as you can see right here, we can find the battery level from the left and the right earbud and also from the charging case. Also, we can check it by opening the the notification center. When the Bluetooth is turned on, we've got the 100% battery of the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 3, and also you can just open the settings, go to the Bluetooth, and here we got also the same status. If you want to get it straight on your home screen, you can add the widget, so click and hold on the empty space on your screen, go to the widgets and add the battery widget. Click and hold on it, put it on the screen, and as you can see right here, we've got this theme, and we can just check the battery level right here when you tap on it. And that's how it looks. So yeah, that's all. Bye bye.